Hello instructor, this is Fernando showing you the enhancement 6. So first of all, when I click my account and play this view, so first I'm going to log in with a user with client level 1. As you can see here in the clients table, I will try to getting into with this client level 1. Okay, so because this is a client level with client level 1, the vehicle management view is not showing here, but here you can see the um, session data for this client, the name, the last name, and the email. Mm, as you can see, the session is in across all the views, and if I try to get in the vehicle controller, okay, is sending me again to the home view. I will try with another view. Mm, um, I will try with this per value action classification in order to try to get into the view of classification vehicle. But the same is sending me again to the home view. Let me see what anything else show. Okay, so the last thing that I have shown you is for the extra credit points, extra points for this is enhancement. So as you can see, I can reach the vehicle controller via a client with client level 1. This is my folder. So if I click again, it's getting me, sending me again to the um, home view. So if I click logout, okay, the session is finished, destroy it, and let me show you again. Okay, and if I try to log in with a client level 3, I'm going to use example you give. Okay, so as you can see, this is a session first name that is admin and is maintaining across all the view and page. If I click here again, as you can see in this opportunity, it's showing me the vehicle management link, so I can have access for this view. Mm, so now I'm going to show you that my um, this admin view is fully responsive. Okay, as you can see, now is making the arrange in order to be showing across all the page, all the view. Samsung, I will try with a, I don't know, iPhone X or so. That is. Let me show you the wave tool. As you can see, no errors. I'm going to show you my CSS, so you can see that I am using frameworks. Okay. You, yeah. As you can see, no errors in CSS or HTML. Okay, I have seen right now that I need to show you my code for the view vehicle views. So as you can see, this is my code in order to check that first the session login is set and the client level is less or equal to 1. The same block of code is across the 3 views, as you can see. And at first of the video, beginning the video, I have shown you that this really works. But I will show you again. I will try with a client level 1. Okay, the vehicle management link is, I will show you in the source. So in the main, it's only showing the H1, the title, and this title is hidden, and the on other list. But in showing me this paragraph here in admin, I used to conditions to check. Here is the second condition: the vehicle controller, echo vehicle, and I have here two if statement. The first one to see is the client that I set. Second one to verify that the client level is greater than 1. So this is my enhancement. Thank you.